Hundreds of people have been forced to evacuate their homes in Austria after widespread flooding. The torrential rain caused landslides too, and some places have been hit by 2 months' worth of rain in just days. At least one person has died and 2 people are still missing following the deluge. The person killed was a clean-up worker in St Johann near Salzburg. The 2 missing people were swept away in raging streams. A local fire brigade commander confirmed that the whole area of Wehrgraben has been evacuated. A flood alarm was still in place for the northern side of the Alps on Monday morning, but the weather was supposed to improve throughout the day.